Hello, I'm Sangmok Kim, the head of research center at Neoflam Inc. The Atomy frying pan incorporates every single cutting-edge technology that is found in ceramic-coated frying pans. The Atomy ceramic frying pan boasts 9 layers of resilient, high-performance non-stick coating. We developed a special coating by identifying the factors that degrade coating performance. This coating is incredibly non-stick and it's very long-lasting. The pan's surface features a special pattern called an oil road. This pattern reduces the contact area between the food and the pan, making it harder for the food to stick. Its design creates a space between the food and pan surface, allowing for effective cooking utilizing the far infrared radiation emitted by the ceramic coating. The new Atomy ceramic-coated frying pan employs an innovative cold spray induction technique, drastically increasing induction efficiency while eliminating staining and scratching issues that consumers have previously experienced. Teflon coatings have been a lifelong favorite of consumers for decades. However, there are rising concerns that Teflon-coated pans may contain carcinogenic substances that are potentially harmful to the environment. Teflon coatings contain PFAS compounds, which are known to cause cancer. In 2015, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration officially banned PFAS compounds like PFOA and PFOS due to safety concerns. Many brands claim their fluoride-based coatings are safe, but in reality, any fluoride coating carries inherent risks of exposing consumers to harmful substances. Ceramic coatings, manufactured from environmentally friendly materials posing no risks to human health, have emerged as a safer alternative. Atomy's frying pan features the ceramic coating. From a consumer perspective, we observed that several factors determine the lifespan of a frying pan. These factors include physical wear and tear, thermal exposure, and chemical interactions. The most common dishwashing scrub pads are the green scouring pads. These scouring pads contain very abrasive, stone-like particles. Utilizing those abrasive scouring pads expedites the coating's degradation at an alarmingly accelerated rate. For a prolonged coating performance, use a soft cloth or sponge explicitly designed for coated cookware surfaces. Another factor is temperature. Domestic consumers tend to preheat frying pans prior to cooking. Ceramic-coated frying pans boast high heat capacity and heating efficiency, allowing them to reach elevated temperatures at relatively low heat settings. Using high heat with ceramic-coated pans subjects the pan to intense temperatures exceeding 300 degrees Celsius. This can rapidly diminish the coating's longevity and non-stick properties. Low to medium heat settings are sufficient as the ceramic coating emits far infrared radiation ideal for thorough heating. Another detrimental factor is exposure to alkaline substances and salty liquids. The performance of frying pans deteriorates rapidly when used for cooking salty liquids. To avoid damaging the ceramic coating, we advise using standard pots for preparing stews, braises, soups, and stocks. Boiling strong alkaline substances, such as sodium percarbonate or baking soda in a non-stick pan, will drastically reduce the lifespan of the coating. Dishwasher detergents also contain alkaline agents, so we suggest neutral mild detergents. As a company specializing in kitchenware, Neoflam is honored to be collaborating with Atomy, a brand sharing our commitment to health and environmental sustainability. Meeting Atomy's absolute quality, absolute price policy has been an immense challenge from the supplier's perspective. Both Neoflam and Atomy dedicated tremendous work and meticulous attention to every detail throughout the endeavor. We are confident in delivering desirable pricing along with the quality you rightfully expect. We sincerely hope you thoroughly enjoy using Atomy's ceramic-coated frying pan. Thank you.